and you're, there's there's at least one project with each module on average. And so you do these solo projects, and then you submit them, and you get the other students, if they have time, to take a look at it. But the boot camp is more. So you're taking the same courses, and there's still the same solo projects within the courses, within the modules. But the boot camp has more solo projects. It has like additional ones, extra ones, and it has group projects, and it's a much smaller, more active community. There's probably about 150 students, and the reviews are done by like paid reviewers that have all taken the course before, so they have a good understanding of what it is that you're doing, the process that you're going through, and they've all graduated and they've gone on to work in the tech field, and they were good students, and they're good at communicating their ideas, and so they give very good reviews, and they give them very quickly. So typically a review will be, a student will submit a review for a solo project in the boot camp, and the response will be within an hour. Well, no, sometimes within an hour, but definitely within 24 hours. So it's really fast, and they usually pick them up pretty quick, and they start working on them, and an hour is actually on the quick side, but often it'll be done within 12. At most, it'll be 48 hours. Often they're usually done within 24, which is good. So you're getting good feedback, and you're getting it quickly. And that's really, really important, because the feedback you're getting will be, it'll point out, the reviewer will point out what you've done well, and it'll also they'll also point out what you could improve upon. So they give you a chance, with the feedback, you get a chance to improve your coding style. So even though your solo project may work, you still might be doing things wrong, or maybe you're doing just the basic input. If somebody's typing in their name, and they're typing in some information into your app that you built, so they will check to see whether it's if it's easy to break it, so give you kind of some ideas, some feedback on whether maybe you need to have more checks in place to check and make sure that the information you're getting is going to work for the app that you just built. So that's good. And it's good to get it's good for the group projects as well. So you get an opportunity to work with other students that are about the same the same part of the courses, the course structure that's being offered. And that's good. And we have students from North America, South America, Western Europe, Eastern Europe, Africa, over the world, Southeast Asia, Australia. So often what will happen is students will, they'll hook up with